Hey artists, it's Miss Kit. In your special bag that your families picked up from school, you probably noticed inside you had a bag of art supplies and a sketchbook. Mr. Ficha and I wanted to take some time to go through the materials of each of the bags from all the grades and talk a little bit more about sketchbook expectations. We'll start with R1's art packets. Let's take a look.
Thanks, Miss Kit, and hello, Reception 1 artists. A large piece of coloured card, a small sketchbook, a bag of small, square, colourful tiles, and they're different colours, and they're in a bag. A small pack of crayons, preferred by teachers so you know they're good. A piece of card with a grid on it, and a small piece of black card. Alright, let's take a look at what's in the Reception 2 art pack. Ready, Miss Kit?
Thanks, Mr. Ficha. Reception 2 students, we already went through your art pack in our Zoom call, but I'll quickly go through it again for those that couldn't join us. Inside you have a sketchbook, a paper plate, a packet of oil pastels, and 5 containers of tempera washable paint. Time for grade 1's art pack. Here you go, Mr. Ficha.
Thanks, Miss Kit, and hello, grade 1 artists. Let's take a look at what's in your art pack. Firstly, you have also got a sketchbook, 2 Crayola markers, glue, foam, magnet, piece of flat foam, times 2, and a piece of black A4 card. Alright, now let's take a look at what's in the grade 2 art pack. Ready, Miss Kit?
Whoa, this one's a heavy one. All right, grade 2 artists, let's take a look. Inside you have your sketchbook, you have a piece of cardboard, 2 balloons, some cut up paper strips, 1 Posco paint marker, and some clay. These materials are to be used in either a Zoom call with us or a video lesson with myself or Mr. Ficha. So please wait for further instructions to use them. Now, did you happen to notice there was one thing that all the art packets had? Mr. Ficha, do you know what it was?
I did notice. Did you? What was it? That's right, you all have a sketchbook. Whether you have a brand new sketchbook or a sketchbook that you've been using for many years now, please only use it when Miss Kit or myself ask you to. This sketchbook is to showcase your art making journey and will stay with you and travel with you from grade to grade, so please take care of it. And when you return to school campus, you'll be expected to bring it with you where it will live in the art room. Lastly, please take really good care of your sketchbook and your art supplies because we'll be using them in our lessons together. Alright, now that you've had some time to look at what's in your art pack and what materials you have, now it's time to look at what materials you're going to need for today's lesson.
Hi, Reception 1 artists. Today is a very special day because you are going to learn the ingredients we need to make and bake some yummy, delicious art. We will save our art supplies in our art packs for another week for a different lesson because today's lesson is all about learning those special ingredients to make art. Art is like baking a pie, and you need ingredients to make it. Not ingredients like flour, eggs, and sugar. Instead, we need the ingredients called the elements of art. Let's learn the elements of art together. We will be using our body and different actions to help our mind remember. So let's go. Let's learn the elements of art. Come on. Okay, R1 artists, let's practice the elements of art. Make sure you have space because we need to use our body. Okay, the elements of art are line, shape, space, color, texture, value, and form. Great job! I thought it would be fun to practice these elements with Mr. Ficha. Oh, Mr. Ficha!
Hi, Miss Kit. Hi guys.
Hi, Mr. Feature.
How are you?
Great, how are you?
Great.
All right, let's practice the elements of art together. I will start with the action and the element, and you will follow Mr. Feature. Repeat after us. The elements of art.
The elements of art.
Line,
Line,
shape,
shape,
space,
space,
color,
color,
texture,
texture,
value,
value,
and form.
and form.
Great job! Now we have a song about the elements of art that we will practice singing together. I will say the first line and you will follow Mr. Feature. Here we go. Art is like baking a pie,
Art is like baking a pie,
and I'm here to tell you why.
and I'm here to tell you why.
The ingredients are the elements of art,
The ingredients are the elements of art,
and using them is how you start.
and using them is how you start.
You take line, shape, space,
You take line, shape, space,
color, texture, value,
color, texture, value,
form, form, form.
form, form, form.
It's easy to do.
It's easy to do.
Then you bake, bake, bake.
Then you bake, bake, bake.
Some beautiful art.
Some beautiful art.
Some beautiful art.
Some beautiful art.
Oh, well done, Mr. Feature.
Thank you, Miss Kits. That was fun.
And well done, artists.
Well done, guys.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss Kits.
Okay, artists, let's sing the Elements of Art song all together. Art is like baking a pie, and I'm here to tell you why. The ingredients are the elements of art, and using them is how you start. You take line, shape, space, color, texture, value, form, form, form. It's easy to do. Then you bake, bake, bake. Some beautiful art, some beautiful art. Then you bake, bake, bake. Don't let it catch on fire. Turn the oven down and let it rise a little higher. Then you bake, bake, bake. Some beautiful art. Some beautiful art. Artists, I had so much fun with you learning the elements of art and practicing the actions to go along with them. Now you know the ingredients that we need to make art for our next lesson together. We will combine the elements of art with our materials to make some yummy, delicious, scrumdiddlyumptious art. I can smell that art from here. Don't forget to make art, be art, and we'll see you next time, artists. Bye-bye.